I'm Ellen the Crazy Crafty Lady, here with another cool video. Sorry I haven't been on much lately. Health issues kind of got me. I just thought I'd show you a quick video on what you can do to your sewing machine foot pedal and how to keep it stable in one spot and keep it from sliding around. And this is one thing that you can do. I got this awesome piece of shelf liner, drawer liner from the Dollar Tree. And this is what you can do to keep your foot pedal in one place. And I'm going to show you that here. It's an easy, simple little trick that you can do to keep your shelf liner, your foot pedal, in one place. Sorry for that. Roll out your little bit of shelf liner. Comes like this. Put your foot pedal on it. I prefer to use these dry erase markers. They work the best. Make a little quick tracing around your foot pedal. Quick and simple and easy. There you have it, like that. Now some people, they prefer to use a glue gun and some glue sticks. You can do that and adhere it to the bottom of your foot pedal. But if you don't want to permanently attach it, let's say you got a expensive machine and a very nice foot pedal and you don't want to do that, you can always use two-sided tape. Works fantastic. Then all you got to do is trim around your little piece of shelf liner. Nice piece of rubber always works the best. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of cut around it. And do this. Cut it all around. You can make it look nice if you want to. Cut off any ends that are hanging up like that. Get your pieces out of the way. Flip your bottom over. Look at that. It's a little bigger than my shelf liner, but that's okay. Bigger than my foot pedal, I should say. Nice piece of two-sided tape on this side. You can adhere it to your foot pedal. Take another piece to the other side. Adhere it to the side of the foot pedal like this. Take it like that. Attach your little piece here like that. Now you can go around and trim off any excess if you like, because you don't need that much on your sewing machine foot pedal anyways. Just enough to keep it from sliding all over. Kind of just trim it off a little bit here and there. And there you have it, folks. Got it nicely adheres to your foot pedal. Trim it off, make it look a little decent. Maybe nobody will notice it on there too much. Just kind of keeps it in place while you're sewing so it ain't all over the place and you don't have to keep adjusting it like that. And now we'll take it this way to the sewing machine. And we'll take this over to the sewing machine. There's my fur babies and our newest adopted kitten. They're both taking their little naps. And here is the sewing machine. And now we will adhere it down to the floor. Sorry, it's a little dark down here at the moment. But there you have it. You can use it. And your foot doesn't slide all over. Your foot will slide, but it does not slide all over the floor. It basically stays in one spot. And there you have it, folks. Great way to do your sewing and have your foot pedal stay in one spot. Thanks for watching my video.